Ever dreamt of effortlessly replicating your thriving Shopify store for expansion or a fresh start? Today, we're diving into how you can duplicate your entire Shopify store, including all your products, designs, and settings, into a brand new account. First, you'll need to access your existing Shopify admin. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. This is where we'll find the tools to make this magic happen. In the Shopify App Store, search for Store Importer. This is a native Shopify tool designed precisely for this task. Once you've found the Store Importer app, click on the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install it into your current Shopify store. After installation, the Store Importer will begin its work, preparing your store's data for export. This might take a moment depending on the size of your store. Within the Store Importer, you'll see options to export various aspects of your store. Will focus on exporting your products, themes, and essential settings. The app will generate files containing all your product information, design templates, and crucial store configurations. Download these files securely to your computer. Now head over to your new Shopify account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a new trial or paid account. This will be your destination store. Just like before, go to the Apps section in your new Shopify admin. We'll be using the same Store Importer app, but this time for importing. Install the Store Importer app into your new account. Once installed, you'll see an option to import data. Now upload the files you downloaded earlier into the Store Importer on your new account. This is where all your hard work gets transferred. The app will meticulously import your products, including descriptions, images, prices, and variants, along with your themes and designs. Carefully review your products in the new account to ensure everything has transferred accurately. Check product details, images, and inventory. Next, navigate to the online store section and check your themes. Your custom designs should now be present and ready for any final tweaks. Finally, go through your new store's settings. Many configurations, like shipping zones and payment gateways, may need to be re-entered or adjusted for your new account. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now duplicated, ready to be managed from a new account, allowing for seamless expansion or a fresh start without losing any valuable data.